So same account from start
Yeah,
1
your
to.
screen. Kindly share your screen, Mr. Narayan.
Are you able to see the screen now?
Yeah, now it's still loading. See this. We can see this month-end consolidations in GL and all this thing. We'll see today.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. But screen is not coming. It's all black.
Now?
Yeah, it's okay now.
So sub account I select again 0 to 39.
Yeah.
99. So product one more product to all the product. See here if you want to select only expense, you can select only expense
Yes.
account start with 1200 and 1299 like that. Okay, this is
Okay.
just for an example. I
And
selected 002 to
yeah,
39.
these codes will change everywhere.
Yes. So always use function F11 so
Okay.
that it will query the existing budget for
Mhm.
the defined number. Okay, so just I queried function control F11 to see
Mhm.
what are the budget defined for this organization. Okay, so see if you see for the account number 01, they already budgeted the total value to 13,333 for per month.
Mhm.
So click the budget rule. See the rule set up like it's divide evenly. So if I give apply, okay. So it will apply the 2 lakhs to evenly to all 12 months.
12 months. Yeah.
Okay, so in outside I gave 2 lakhs and I my selected rules is divide evenly. So if you want to change the rule, just click the drop down and repeat
Yeah.
per period. Say for example, as you said, budget versus actuals. If you
Yes.
see your actuals for the period only 10,000 or 8,000, you can put like repeat per period. Or if you want 445, like how you want to split prior year
Okay.
budget monetary. So whatever the budgeted last year that you want to replicate, you can click prior year budget.
Okay.
Okay, so like that, there are many rules is there. So once you selected the rule, that will apply for your current account.
Yes.
So usually we will click divide evenly or repeat per period. So click apply and click OK. So for this account, I selected evenly and it is selected. So if you want to give month on month, same amount. So let's select the
Yes.
budget again and click the amount 10,000 monthly, repeat per period, apply, okay. So it will apply a same amount for all the period.
12 months. Yes.
Okay. So this is how we need to prepare the budget. So
Okay.
first pull your all accounts. Okay, as per chart of accounts, all the accounts are pulled. So for
Yeah.
that, click Control F11, pull the accounts and set your budget values.
Yes.
So every month, if you are want to change the value, that you can have to select a different budget rule. It will apply
Mhm.
here, and you can save it. If you want to see the show total, so the total will come here. Before it
Yes.
was showing like month wise. So when you
Yeah.
want to see the total for the particular account, of your budget amount, you click show total, and it will be showing your 12 months overall budget fee.
Yes.
So if you want to see the monthly value, just click I total and you can see all the monthly budget.
Yes.
So just click the
This is the preparation of budget, right?
preparation of exactly, yes.
Yeah. This is clear. Preparation of budget is fine. But if we by end of the quarter month, suppose for example, if my manager asks me, give me actual versus budgeted.
Mm. You have to run a request. Okay, run a request.
Mm-hmm.
See, budget journal by account. So whatever the account you want to see, run a report. Okay. So give the parameters, account and everything for the period of Jan to March.
Yes.
And same, you cannot pull the actuals here. So you have to go to actuals.
Yes.
Okay. Cancel everything. Go back to actuals. So now we are in budget responsibility. Go back
Okay.
to actual journals and again
Mm-hmm.
pull the actual data and put it in Excel and comparison from your side that how the budget and
Ah,
actual.
so
That
it has to be
Excel
done
you have to do.
Excel.
So you can pull the Excel dump for budget and Excel dump for actuals. Then you do
Yeah.
your comparison and share it with your financial manager.
Okay. Fine. That is fine.
So there you can prepare your own budget versus actuals with more detailed comments. So if you
Yes.
want to see account analysis also, it is available.
Mm-hmm. Okay. No, what I thought it will come from system actual versus budget.
No, that is like that is you need to give a query to Oracle to have like a predefined setup like that. So here
Uh-huh.
we have budget and actuals. Both are in a separate. So for
Okay.
the same account, if you want to see budget versus actuals, yes, you can query that budget for that account. It will show you both. After
Okay.
book, see this is 445. So like 40, 40, 50 percentage.
Yeah.
So whatever the amount we give, that will be like January, February, it is 40 percentage, and in March it took 50%. So that is what the 445 rules. See, 445 rules for 3 months. So this is how the rules setup done in Oracle. You select that and you define your budget for the year,
Okay.
and you have to after completing this, click save, and you have to post this. Okay. So are you sure you want to initiate budget posting? So as I said yesterday, how to post journal, right? How to
Yes.
review and the same way
Yeah.
we need to review and post this journal.
Oh.
The same way it is showing you the concurrent request. Okay, if you have
Mm.
any juniors under you, ask them to save this request IDs. It will helpful for you in future if any request is not posted or if you find any issues, so
Yes.
that the technical person will help you with the concurrent request. So always
Yes.
have concurrent request if you have any doubts. So if you are good and if you are okay with all the network and setup everything, then no need to worry about this component. So click OK, go to view request, find. So your budget is posted. So already it is
Yes.
completed. View output. No output for this. View details. You can see the parameter what you provide. Budget posted. The same way for journal or chart of account preparation, everything. Whatever the parameter we provided that you can see in view details.
Okay.
For the report output, you have to click view output. So if you find any error, what you will do? If any completed with a warning, completed with error, you need to click the diagnostic so that what error it is can be seen over there and you can share those details
Rectify.
to tech team to clear the same.
Okay.
So if you want to, same like as I said for journal, if you want to upload budget, you again download the launch budget wizard. So same Excel macro will open. You prepare your budget details and you can upload here.
Okay.
Same budget for which year or which period you want to upload. Select the budget period.
Yeah.
Organization all, and you can upload your file. So after posting, it will be reflected in your budgeting figures.
Okay. Okay. Can you share this screenshot with me?
Once your connection issue is resolved, you can see these things, right? Are you able to take a screenshot now?
No, I cannot take screenshot because it's very small and it's blur. So
Uh,
that's why.
Even it is a snipping tool, also it is.
Because if I take screenshot, I cannot see anything. With lot of
Okay.
difficulty, I'm seeing.
How about the recording? Are you able to open and see?
Recording. Yeah, even if I try, I checked with recording.
Okay.
I don't know. The characters is very small.
This is the maximum character size in my laptop. Even it is very big only for me. Maybe you have to check your screen. Which size of laptop you are using?
14.5.
Um, so just check maximize it, and because this is the maximum size.
No,
Since
the
we are
problem.
connecting
Yeah, we are correct. You are connected through remote, right?
remote, right? So might be it a little lesser than what I am seeing. Yes.
Yes.
So this is budget transfer. So corporate budget for 2006 to 2009. Batch name, you can put anything like SS, Soham, enterprise, like that. Currency, organization, you can select it from here if you already defined anything. You can select from all. Account, click the three dots, account lines. Select the account you want to see. As you said, for a particular account, if you want to do any budget audit fee. Audit fee is a great example that once the year-end audit finished, then only they will send the invoice. So till that time,
Yes.
we need to do the budget based on the last year invoice. So here I'm transferring over audit fee budget to bad debts or accrued expenses. If you want to transfer any budget value to one account to another, this will help. So mostly this will not useful for us, so no one will transfer. But if you want to transfer some budget value from one account to another account or
Another.
one session to another organization, it will helps.
Yeah.
Period. So you asked one question, right? How to change from one period to another period? If you want to change from one period to another period, that's also possible.
Mhm.
So I'm for the transfer to one period. Okay. Two periods. Percentage 10%. Since there is no budget defined, it is showing no sufficient balance. So it is applied to all the accounts. So say for example, I applied zero value, so it is transferred from one
Mm.
account to another account.
Okay.
This is for internal transfer from one account to another account, the budget values, or from one period to another period.
Another period, yes.
For the same year, if you click launch budget visa, the Excel will open. So you have to enable the macro so that you can find the Excel in your system. Organization. Quick select will help you to select easily. So quick select will give you the result here. Accounts one. Documents. So whatever I applied in the top, it is created as a combination. So this I will select and I will apply. So currency I have to change to U from period. December 00. So if you click actuals, maybe it includes your existing actuals.
Yes.
It does. One validation check. The value must be entered as or account to select and select. Document creation review. So your document view will be like this. So everything is clear. So this doesn't need always to create the same environment. So you can save once. So your generator will always use the same layout. So this is the layout
Yes.
of input. So this upload your journal easily. So once you save this layout, next time you just click the create document and you can just update the values and you can upload.
Mhm.
since it is macro enabled, most of the times this is the issue with WebADA. So if the
Yeah.
system is not supporting macro or any technical issues in the backend, also it will not work properly. So we have to restart or we have to uh, take IT support to open this type of Excel. That is the issue with this WebADA file. It will not work like actual Excel. So do you have experience with WebADA?
I have done in Fusion.
Fusion. Same. Okay.
So in that same Excel sheet, we can log in as our user ID and password
Hmm.
to load generals and post it like batch-wise posting.
Yes. Exactly.
And I've done rapid implementation also with FDDI something. What is that? Fusion.
You need to check the macro, how it's working in value. So this is how it open, but it will open the criteria which we given. We already selected the criteria. It is shown in
Yes.
the previous page. It is shown now. The same way
Yeah.
this will be in your web ID file. So what you have to do
Yeah.
is only you have to copy paste the same batch one line down. Again copy
Yeah.
batch one line down. So you can change the batch name or journal name or description according to your requirement, and you can upload as a bunch,
Yeah. Batch-wise upload.
batch wise up, or multiple journals also possible.
Yes.
So this is how the WebADI works in budget, and what else is so budget journals transfers we completed. Mass budget all are same like above. Reports request, financial report, individual report, single report or multiple reports. You can select the name and you can run accordingly. So one time you need to define the reports you want. See, as you said, budget versus actuals,
Yeah.
or budget in the criteria which you want, like company, who
Yeah.
your
And cost
company
reports also. Sometimes they will take cost reports and everything.
analysis, financial statement. If I need, I will click OK for Venetian operation US from the period February. So I will submit. Analysis. Okay, I should go to view request. So the report is running in the backend. Once it is done, you can see view output. The report will open. You can copy paste in your Excel, or you can set up as Excel and you can download in the Excel folder. So since
This
we
is
are not
this is different from FLG reports, right?
this is a budget report.
Yeah.
Whatever we updated in budget, financial statement analysis. So
Mhm.
this is the actual against what we updated in budget.
Okay.
Say for example, in a revenue account, hardware revenue, support revenue, consulting revenue, kind of revenues against this vision operation company. Okay, so
Mhm.
in 2022, it is mentioning actual analysis. So there is no
Yeah.
value updated. So if you are updating the value, you can see like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 like that.
Yeah. All values will be there. Yeah, because there is no data in this system. That's why
So
it's not
this report helps you to analyze your actuals for your revenue and expenses. So this is a kind of profit and loss analysis.
showing. Yes.
Okay, so same way, this is all the major expenses: advertising, public react, relation, warehousing, cleaning and maintenance,
Yes.
equipments, legal, postage charges, rent, shipping, telephone. all the utilities, freight, salary. These are all main expenses in all the companies.
Yes.
So this is one of the reports. So like this, there are many reports already predefined. So you can use the same, or you select and try to download it. If you are want a much visible report for you, that for your convenient, you can define a report first time, and then you can use the same report template month on month to analyze your financial statements.
Okay.
This is one of the kind of FSG report. So you have multiple reports in this report field. So once you download it all together, you can put it in a different sheets or different Excels to analyze your financial statement. This is one of the FSG report. So accounting query yesterday we saw, or you want to see one more time.
Which
So
one?
here we have actual and budget both. So you can select actuals or budget, and you can see for the particular account.
That is fine. I can do it in Excel rest. But for the chart of accounts, some small unit as we discussed, right? How to add
No,
an account and all this.
no. You want to download the particular account for a period of month or per quarter or yearly, you download the account and you for
Mhm.
you want to reconcile sub account. So cash, uh, cost of sales, cost of sales. Product, if you want to product or product X. Okay. Sum account, okay. Account details, expenses, total expenses, detail activity. Show balance. This account is not available. I think. Let's take another account, payroll cash account. Secret assets. Second balance also. is no value or the account is not defined, it will throw this error. Now it's coming. There is no balance in this account. So if you want to see the journal details booked in the transaction account, you can click journal details and you can see whatever the journals booked for the particular account. There is no journals booked, it is showing error for us. So if you want to see short-term equivalent or short-term deposit or
Yeah.
a long-term deposit or for receivables, cash transaction, so there is no all the accounts are selected. So that's why we have few accounts listed here. So these are the account combination. Okay, so you click show balance and see there is an entry here. Which is booked in February. I think yesterday we booked in February period. That's why the only
Yeah.
one listing for us. So you can click journal detail and you can see the detailed balance summary of the balance. So this is the account we used yesterday to post this link. So that is the detail you can see. So details are limited in this testing environment. So once you entered into actual books, you can see a lot of transactions. It will be helpful for you to analyze much better
Yeah. Yeah.
thing. Same way, if you have any reporting tool, you can download the report in Excel format easily because now there are a lot of reporting tool is there like Discoverer for R11 and C report for R12. Uh, there are a lot of reporting tools is there which is extracting the reports from Oracle. So if you have
Oracle.
any reporting tool for your Oracle version that your company allows, that you can download easily all the reports and you can use it for your reconciliation.
Analyze. Yes.
Yes.
So for this period closing, once we close the period, we cannot do anything in that one, right?
Yes. Until otherwise the CFO or financial manager approves, we cannot open the period. So if you are opening the period and entering some transaction, will giving you a headache that will not match. So
Yeah.
again, reconciling and declaring the difference variances would be a huge task for you. So before closing the books, do a reconciliation and maximum you can put your effort to clear it.
Yes.
In a new journal. So I changed the currency. Okay, so from USD to AED. So this is how the multi-currency journal looks. Okay, so type I will select. So yesterday I explained, whatever the conversion type Reuters is available, revaluation types.
Yes.
Actual average, actual ending, budget. If you have any budget for the exchange rates that you can define. So if you want to do a daily update by your own, you can click daily. In the backend, we have to update the exchange rates manually. So it will pick up while you entering the journal. So I click daily. No conversion rate is defined. So user, so I will put 1.5 just for an example. One. Again, total expenses. Okay. Control RC. Description of work. statement. Again, article versus cash products. Just this is for sample. I'm putting that out. And department. I'm putting articles. Debit value. So if you see, based on my exchange rate, it is already predefined calculator. Okay, so we ensure that what is the revaluation rate you require. Okay, it's based on your daily rates updated by the user or the one who is in banking team or your financial controller, whoever updates the revaluation rates. One user will use to update the revaluation rates. Based on this, this multi-currency journal will populate the accounting currency. See, it is entered in AED currency, and the accounted currency is always for your company is AED or USD.
USD.
So if I am changing that to INR, it will convert from INR to USD. So if I am
USD.
putting INR as 1000 in USD, it will show you like 80 or 50 like that.
Yes.
So based on the it all based on the rate you are defining here. So
Yes.
exchange rate and revaluation is very important in GL. So it is like a huge process that we are following in all companies. So revaluation is a monthly activity. So daily
Yes.
basis, someone will update or the tech team will update based on the global exchange rates. Okay, they will pick up from one tool, any of the revaluation, any of the exchange rate tool. Okay, they
Yes.
download it in Excel or PDF and will approve it. Based on that, we will update in backend. It may be a bulk upload or a manual upload. So if you are selecting user, you can define your user exchange rate based on the online calculation. So you can calculate in Excel and you can click exchange rate here based on your invoice, or based on the site calculation. If you doesn't know that, you pick up the rate based on your company approves exchange rate. So based on that approving exchange rate, the entered an account completed here. So this is how the multi-currency journal.
German.
See the T accounts, it will show you in a different way, like how is entered, what is the entered currency and how is an accounted currency. See, this is a AED value and this is a USD value. So
Yes.
most of the companies checking their T accounts in this way. So this will help them to see the foreign currency and local currency. So this will be easy for your financial statement to report
Yes.
based on your local currency.
But here mostly in Gulf they follow only their local currency.
Okay.
Even if it is the transaction is in different currency also they will convert same time and enter in AED only.
Oh, you are not following IFRS?
No, they are following IFRS, but sometimes some local small items. Any overseas purchase we'll do with IFRS.
So if you want to change the period, you click change the period, and already I posted. That's why I'm unable to change. If you want to change period, you click change period, and you can change the period here after completing this journey. So from my side, I completed everything. Whatever you want to know apart from this in real, you can ask your questions.
Now regarding this chart of accounts,
Mm.
if we want to add some accounts or if we just a overview of how to add chart of accounts and all those things.
It will come under setup. If you want to download and see what are the chart of account that I can show you here, put
Okay.
submit a request. Chart of account detail listing, or you want to check account hierarchy, you can click account hierarchy.
Now in this system, if I want to make one company, legal entity, I can make it.
Yes, yes. In the system, you can practice how to create a legal entity, how to create chart of account, everything. Uh, see, here the setup will be there. So you click the setup, and there is a separate session need for this. So lot of details is there that you have to click the financials and you have to set up everything. So flexi field, accounting setup, legal entity, operating, everything needs to be.
Currency, address,
Pardon?
currency, location, legal business, legal entity.
Yeah. So you have one legal entity. Under that, lot of branches will be there. So everything should be created, and it is a huge task that end user doesn't require. If you want to know or if you want to learn about how to set up a organization in Oracle, that also you can learn. I hope you already received the modules from Suresh. So
Yes,
if
yes.
you want to see it manually, he will help you after you discuss with Suresh.
Okay. And these consolidations or anything is left in here, like last, the final, by closing the books. What are the important points? If I missed anything.
So this is the parent company for the period February consolidation set. So whatever the account, whatever the mapping accounts, okay. So consolidation
Yeah.
is the sense this is a final activity, very final activity after GL close. Okay.
Yes.
So after GL close, if you are completing this consolidation activity, this will show you your financial statement, FS.
Yes.
Okay, so for that period, if you want to prepare a financial statement, final version, this consolidation will help you to get the report. These are all the consolidation available in this module. Okay, if you want to transfer the balance into USD, you can select this project manufacturing to operations like that. So means whatever the details entered in manufacturing, that will transfer to operations.
Okay.
Subsidiary. A lot of companies already created like Amazon or France Secondary Ledger, IAS reporting. A lot of companies. You have to select your particular company, which one you are created.
Mhm.
You are working with Vision. Because you want to be very careful on this because other than that, if you are selecting any other subsidiary, data will move to that company.
Ah,
If, for example, if I have cleared everything, my trial balance is ready and my P&L is verified, everything is okay. If you're selecting a wrong consolidation company, so whatever the data you prepared for a period will move to different company. So again there will be
okay.
issue there. Okay, so you have a profit and loss of 1 million, okay, for the period of January. For Vision Express USA. So if you're transferring the amount to Vision Express France, then
It will go
US
there.
will be no data. That your France data will show you the 1 million. So maybe the currency will differ. So if they are checking in euro, so it will be converted into euro, and it will show a different figure. One who is analyzing euro Vision operations will totally uh, confused. So they
Right.
cannot analyze it. They cannot identify what is the issue happen. So you need to be
Yes.
very, very careful while preparing this consolidation. If you want to transfer or not transfer, this is a status. Okay. Transfer should set subsidiary operation status. So depends on the status you can select. My parent company. Mapping. Run journal import, create summary journals. Make sure that it is in ticked, so that it makes
Yeah.
that all the journals you created that will be transferred to your consolidation. If you want to set any rules in your chart of accounts, so it will be like what you may be booked multiple journals in expenses. So if you want to merge into one account, you can set a chart of account mapping. Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Are you with me, Sohel?
Yeah, I'm with you. And this mapping, it's done by functional consultant, right?
Yes, yes. No, no. Why I'm explaining this is if you want to define this to your consultant, you need some knowledge, right? For that, I'm explaining.
Yes.
Say, for
Yeah.
example, if I have three types of expenses, under car, it may be a petrol or it's cleaning or repairing or maintaining something. So, all under car
Yes.
expenses. So, if you booked
Yes.
three different account entries, you want to show it in your financial statement under car maintenance or car expenses. That mapping you
Yeah.
can request, and that will be that will show you only the final figure. It will not confuse you with three different lines.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to see what is inside that whole amount, that you can query in your oracle and you can see. That is what I try to say.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, after completing this, you click the consolidation set and it will be transferred to your consolidation. That is HFM. So you click the financial report, run the report, and you can see the final figure. So here we don't have any details for the period. So that this Excel will not show you any details. So if you complete this and if you put on 10 kind of entries in your expense and revenue, then you
Yes.
click the consolidation and see your financial report. It will help you in detail.
Yes. I will do it tonight. Tonight I will
Before
do it.
running this report, you need to click the consolidation, transfer, and then click the report and check.
Okay.
Okay, this is very final stage. So this is the under consolidation. So account inquiry, you know how to inquiry accounts and how to analyze it, how to prepare your balance sheet activities. So download each accounts, pull the dump, and if you have your invoice copies or transfer receipts, whatever you have, you place it in a next Excels. I will show you
Okay.
some. Okay, do you have experience with reconciliation, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Bank reconciliations and everything I have.
So did you download the Excel? Yesterday I shared it with you.
Yeah, I downloaded that one.
So you are in Hyderabad, and you, the end of this month you are traveling to Gulf, right?
Yes.
Your family is still in Hyderabad, or
No, my family is in Hyderabad only now. Before I'm in Dubai with family, but like 2.5 years back, I came back here to settle here, but everything goes wrong. Before I have a good job, everything is there in Dubai.
you again will get some kind of job, better salary?
See, this is I have. I will share you my screen.
Okay. See, this is how some small companies will do the reconciliation. Okay. This reconciliation itself think that this is for expenses. Okay.
Yes.
Or any suspense. Suspense doesn't have any supporting, so we think that any main account receivables. So receivables, whatever the open items or bad debts, you can download the dump and keep it in the first sheet. Okay. So in the summary, you will see like your company name and account and their aging, and the summary details will be
Yes.
there. Okay. In second sheet, you
Yeah.
put your account dump. So it will be like 10 to 20
Yes.
lines, or it depends on the company size. It will be like 100 or 1000.
Yes.
So third sheet, for the open items, whatever the line items reconciled, no need to worry about it. So whatever the open items, whatever the supporting is there, you need to keep it in the reconciliation and mark the same against that open line.
Yes.
Whether it is follow-up with respective employee or respective accounting, respective sales team, or with customer or supplier, whoever. So that it will be easy for you to take your reconciliation and do the follow-up and you clear the line before next period.
Yes.
This is a simple example to prepare a reconciliation. So in this way you can prepare your own reconciliations. So once you
Yes.
prepare all the templates, then it will be easy for you to follow month on month.
Yes. Just I will share you my screen. I have some data. Can you check that one? See,
Sure.
I'll share. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, sir. I can see your screen.
This is the data which I got it from. This is EBS data only.
Yeah, it's very clear that you have a period to date trial balance for the
Yes.
month of August. So it is
Yes.
having all bank current account, all the accounts, okay, clearing account, cash in transit. Okay, good.
This is all live data which I got it from the company. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I'm just trying to get some. I will try to enter this data only in the system. This GL transactions is here for April.
Okay.
So this I got confused with this one. The path, the party. This is the voucher number.
Okay.
This is transaction number. Where is the
Party
this
in the
one?
sense,
Oh,
you see, party in the sense it is a vendor name and vendor number. So if you see the AP or AR, the supplier and vendor name will be there. I said no yesterday the product number, product like you
this is
used
a
to.
journal. This is they are
Yes.
putting in batches. Payables A batch.
Yeah, it is auto created batch number for payables, payable entry. Whatever the entry I'm booking in backend, if you see in GL, it will be like payable batch name.
Enter main account.
You don't get confused now. While taking payable session, I will explain you what all these things.
Okay.
Okay, you click journal GL. So GL journal. So manual journal should be there, no?
Yes.
You are looking now is a payable. What are
Mm-hmm.
source? Click source. Source. Type source next to H. Cancel. Click source H row. Only
H row.
receivable is there. Yes. Source will
Payables.
H.
Your voice is breaking.
Only payables and receivables is there, Sohail. For
Yeah.
there is no journal entries, manual journal entries here. So this and all part of your payables and receivables.
Yes.
So it will take some time to explain you in detail about AP and AR so that you can link it together. It is easy
Yeah.
only. It's
Okay,
very
fine.
easy.
No issue.
So